The family justice courts have observed a number of common filing issues in probate applications. In this video, we highlight 3 common issues. We will cover issues relating to the affidavit of due execution, documents that are not in the English language, and missing particulars of parents for Muslim estates. The first common issue involves the affidavit of due execution. This affidavit is required where the will is thumbprinted, signed in another language, or where there is doubt about the testator's understanding of the will. The affidavit may also be required where the relationship between the witnesses and beneficiaries is unclear. In such cases, an affidavit of due execution is required to address the outstanding points. For example, where a will is signed using a thumbprint and the testator does not understand the language of the will, the affidavit should explain how the contents were interpreted and understood at the time of signing. Please refer to the relevant rules and practice directions for full requirements. The second common issue involves documents that are not in the English language. If a document contains non-English text, a compliant translation must be filed. Where required, the translation must be properly certified or verified in accordance with the rules. For example, where a foreign death certificate is filed, an English translation should be submitted together with the original document. Please refer to the relevant rules and practice directions for full requirements. The third common issue affects applications for Muslim estates. Details of the deceased's parents are often omitted. Even though parents are usually the beneficiaries of Muslim estates, applicants must confirm whether the deceased's parents have already passed away or are still living, and file the relevant death certificates or supporting affidavits. Where documents are unavailable, the applicant should state the details as unknown and file an affidavit explaining the circumstances. If the parents are still living, they are usually beneficiaries of the estate, and the inheritance certificate and list of beneficiaries must be amended accordingly. Applicants should ensure the relevant sections of the application are properly completed. These are 3 common issues encountered during the filing of probate applications. Practitioners may wish to refer to the applicable rules and practice directions in force at the time of filing.